Who is FiRiE fan? Who is FiRiE? Who is FiRiE? You?
No, you're the fire. I'm the
Me?
FiRiE. Yeah.
Liar. I'm Irie, you're FiRiE.
No.
Is the other way around?
Isn't it?
Huh, but no.
Well, I think it depends on the day. Fire fam, special edition morning today, as you got to see.
Who is FiRiE fan? Who is FiRiE? Who is FiRiE? You?
No, you're the fire. I'm
Me?
the FiRiE. Yeah.
Liar. I'm Irie, you're FiRiE.
No.
Is the other way around?
Isn't it?
Huh, but no.
Well, I think it depends on the day.
Whatever.
Some days you're the fire, some days I'm the fire, and some days I get to eat jackfruit that my wife lovingly prepared this morning. And this is the first time we've had jackfruit in a long time.
Yeah.
Want a bite?
No. I don't like jackfruit early without eating food. I don't know, I cannot eat jackfruit that early.
Mm-hmm.
No. Every time I belch, I belch jackfruit.
Yeah, I don't know. I might be in the toilet later, but for now I'm going to enjoy it. Anyway, enough of that. We got our coffee. We got her condensed milk, sugar-filled, newly microwaved goodness, but...
no, it's not. It's Milo. Milo tea this morning.
Really? You didn't put any condensed milk in it?
Never have enough. I just a little bit. I just wash out the can with the box milk. With a low-fat milk. Whatever.
Oh. Nice.
Yep.
You good?
Yep.
Yeah, so Sonia's gaining confidence. Watch out, world, because some people are like, oh my gosh, Sonia was so funny the other episode in her morning. Now she's like, wait, give me the microphone. Let me show you how to do it.
No, I never said that. You said you want to be my morning monologue, and I'm like, sure, why not? Just sit down and join you.
Be in your
I don't know what it said.
Morning monologue.
Yes, or something like that. I don't know if you pronounce letters, so I don't bother so people laugh at me.
Her and another M word. Her and the mosquitoes are having a good time this morning.
Yeah, mosquito is eating me bad, man.
Mm-hmm. So,
mosquito them going at me.
Mm-hmm. Interesting day today. We are going to tackle two big S words. We're going to bring the kids by to work on their interview skills over at a local soup shop and get some soup, go figure. And then our first academic challenge. Dave and Junior are going to try to prove to the YouTube universe that they have mastered the arts of subtraction up to 3 digits with regrouping. It's very exciting stuff.
I hope they do.
I like your confidence. Anyway, I'm going to get back to my jackfruit. Sonia's going to...
It's not that because they're always shouting at them saying, simple grade 2 maths you can do, so I hope they master this trip.
Thanks, dear. Ready to start the day?
What am I supposed to say? I don't know.
Let's do this.
Ow.
Bye, guys. Enjoy. All right, ladies and gentlemen, new subsection of the video we're going to conclude is we've been working on the study groups, and some select students have been shining brightly. And so today we're going to put them to the test and see if they can demonstrate for you live on camera Just exactly what they've learned. Dave, are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. What are we doing today?
Math.
What kind of maths?
Takeaway.
Takeaway, yeah. So Dave and the guys have been working on their subtraction, specifically with regrouping all the way up to the hundreds. And so Dave, our protege, our pride and joy, is going to try and solve this live in front of the camera and explain what he's doing. Dave, are you ready?
Yeah.
That's confidence if I've ever heard it. Here we go. So, any number?
You put a number.
Huh?
You put a number.
Get up now, Dave. Any number. We're going big or we're going home. Here we go. Dave, tell them what you're doing.
Alright. We are takeaway now. Right, so 100.
So what he's doing is we've made visual aids. We're representing the hundreds place value with squares.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Uh-huh. The tens place value, what do we use to represent tens? What do we use to represent the tens? Yeah, what is that?
Tens.
Right, but like what visual is that? What do we call that?
Dot.
Those are dots?
Mm-mm.
No man, sticks.
Six.
Sticks and stones, classic. So where's our stones? All right, you don't have to whisper, it's okay, they can hear you.
Alright.
So can you explain to them what this means?
Alright, this means 100.
Uh-huh,
This means 10.
uh-huh.
This means 1.
Okay, so what number is this?
6.
No man, the whole number.
868.
And we're gonna take away,
487.
you ready? I'm not gonna help you. All right, you got this.
First, I take our 1/10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take away 7. Four, five, six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Awesome. This. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. No, FiRiE.
What'd you notice?
Me have can take away it already.
Yeah, you don't have to borrow, do you?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Left back 1.
Good catch. How many do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So do we need to cross that out if we still had 6?
Mm-mm.
No, you did it already. Whatever, that's fine. You never had to borrow because you had a lesser amount. I'm glad you caught that. What's next?
Yeah. Yeah, go. Take away 8 and 10. Like how we have it, we take away 100.
Can you show that over here? You had 8.
We have 8. And we have 4.
So you took away 1. Left back how many?
5,
How many hundreds you have?
4,
Count the hundreds, Dave.
6.
Dave, keep going. You're not counting your hundreds.
5.
Where do you see 5? Show me now.
1, 2,
No, I'm
3,
talking about the hundreds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, so you had 8. You borrowed 1. And what do we put here?
1.
In front of the 6. How many more 10s do you get?
10.
Great.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And I kill mosquitoes at the same time.
7.
Multitasking.
9, 10.
Okay.
Take out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right?
Finish the problem, then. Okay.
From where I go, take away 4. What I want. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Left back 3. We're done.
So, let's... Come on, Dave. You got to read the problem. Get back up here.
So yeah,
Get back up here. We're going to read this. I know, right? I almost dropped it. What's this number?
8.
No, the whole number.
860. 8.
Take
And-
away
Take away 487.
equals...
Equal 381.
Nice job. Anything else you want to add, Dave?
Nah,
I'm done.
yeah, me done.
You got a microphone, sir. Okay, next up is Junior, Dave's little bro. He's working on 2-digit subtraction with regrouping. So, Junior, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, let's see if we got it.
Yeah, man, yeah. Big up. Big up the country.
Junior, solve the problem. Tell them what you're doing.
May I
You
divide?
don't have to yell into the microphone. No, you're subtracting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can't take a 6 1, see, you have to borrow. And take a 2,
How many are you taking away?
5,
Yeah, but you borrowed how many?
2.
Why?
Got 2, don't know so.
Yeah, but we're not using that one yet.
Oh,
You
4.
gotta take away the 6.
This time take away 6.
No, you got your 5 10s. How many you gonna borrow?
1.
Okay.
And
And how many you gonna? Yeah, no, make your dots. How many you leave back? So put your 4 up. Good. Put your dots over there. How many you get?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I gotta take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay.
So take away 2. 1.
Take away 2. Make how
Wait
many?
there. Take away 2. That's 2. 22. 28.
So what's this number?
54.
Take away.
2.
How much is this number?
26.
Equals.
28.
Okay, Junior.
Yeah, man, later. Big up the samba, big up the
Hello.
womba, sick. Woo!
Yikes.
Yes.
Hey Dave, thanks for recording. I got Dave on the camera, Mario on a microphone without a microphone, and Craig don't even know where he's at. Craig picking flowers for that special someone. Okay.
So I people, so we are at
Oh, you only gotta talk to the camera.
we are at the I gate, and we're gonna talk about how you make soup. Yeah. I look about the
price.
foods and the price and everything.
I have asked her, how do you make your soup?
And
What time it open, and what time it lock, and
You ready?
yeah.
So subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell.
No, Jonas say.
Ring the bell. Alright, Craig, you gotta give her your microphone.
Jonas,
One of you have to, Craig, give her your microphone. We can share that microphone. Show her how to put it on.
What do you have here?
Oh, ask her if she can help you put it on. Go on, Craig.
Put up your shirt then.
So
Oh, I see.
Alright, Laura, you got this.
Yeah.
Come, are you are come, sir? So come. Come in at this. Come in at this. Nice.
Me do it with that head. Me do
Come,
it.
Maddie.
What kind of?
She are gonna take over.
My name is Mario. I am at I gate. So, what's your name?
My name is Veronica.
So, what kind of soup you making?
Right now I have pumpkin soup, chicken for chicken neck, and this is the best soup.
What time it open?
From 8 o'clock until 5.
What time it close?
5 o'clock.
Papa, sitting over your head.
This is a mesh hut. That's you don't go down into the food that you're selling.
Like it's smoke.
No, definitely if you don't have a mesh hut and you're cooking, your ear can go down into the food. So you need something to cover your ear from the ear blow out and drop into the food.
Where do you get the ingredients?
Right in the shop, the green grocery shop.
Oh, 5.
5 soup, what price? We have $2.50 and we have $1.50.
150 soup.
Okay, selling.
Please and thanks.
You're welcome.
Alright, Unanagos, cheers. What are we cheersing to?
Happy life, happy day.
Happy life, happy day. It's hot.
Enough
Careful.
cheers to what I said. Nice knowing you guys.
It was nice knowing you too. We'll see you on the other side. Oh, it's too hot for Mario. Hush. It's hot. The soup is hot.
Us. Somebody can.
Yeah. Alright, so we have now it's chicken leg and chicken foot. Pumpkin.
You said chicken,
chicken.
neck and chicken foot.
Chicken neck.
Neck.
Chicken neck.
Neck and foot.
Yes.
Never
The
eat.
neck and the foot.
So never eat that pea soup.
Peas. Just
like pea
peas?
soup, we eat
Stew
Like
peas?
that, yeah, 2 peas.
Yeah, man, it's
That
good.
body stew.
Like it fried chicken.
Stew peas.
Champion, yeah.
Ooh.
No,
Alright.
like pea soup.
Can you guys tell what's in the soup based on the taste? It's not that hot.
It's hot.
It's not that hot.
It's hot.
It's fish.
It's precious.
Oh, we talked about that last time, remember?
Like when it's fresh.
Right, me too. Unu love your salt too much. Oh, you remember why she said? Who was here? You were here last time.
Me and Dave.
Why did they make it? Why she have to make it fresh?
No, me and David. No, me and Tuna. And me and Junior.
Oh, then you should know.
What?
Why did they make it a little fresh?
Because
I'm not asking,
the pressure
Sonia.
might go high. The pressure might go high. And you drink it and you forgot hospital.
That true?
Yeah, if the pressure high and you go drink salty food, then you're in a problem.
Okay, so when you guys think about a business and they make food for customers, you can't just make it for your own taste. It's like true if Craig opened a soup shop. Craig's like, I like salty soup, and he made a bunch of salty soup.
Just make fresh soup.
Well, so what they have is they have the salt shaker. So when you want extra salt in it, you can ask for the salt we put in it. But so once you put the salt in the soup, you can't take it out, right? Once you put the salt in the soup, you can't take it out.
Once you put salt in any food, you can't take it out. You just got to drink the same way.
Right, so that's why they make it a little fresh for the people so that more people can enjoy it.
That's why most people in the USA use lemon juice in that soup.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yes, that's true. They put lemon juice in soup.
They poo.
I never
heard of that.
Yes, the Mexican and the Filipino, they use lemon in their
juice in the soup.
Just squeeze the lemon in the soup.
You know, gravy they put
all in island taco where they make, they squeeze the lemon on it. Anything.
That's different than soup.
Soup too.
The African is fufu.
no, they eat
Yes, African eat fufu.
What is fufu?
fufu
Like
the
a dumpling.
And not really dumpling. They
No,
make it with
no,
cassava
yeah,
and plantain, and then season it up with coconut milk and then cook it. And then tear piece and eat it with whatever.
And goated.
Oh.
And it's
They eat every part of meat.
So what's in the soup? Have we figured it out? You got chicken foot.
chicken foot, dumpling,
Is there carrot?
sweet
You got
potato.
dumpling? Are you
And
just,
A yam. A yam.
you got
sweet
yam?
potato.
Oh,
We got
what's
yam
this?
too.
Bye, guys. Enjoy your days and your weekends and all the rest of time. Have a good one and bless up yourself. And God bless always. Yeah.
Good? You got that all out of your system now?
Yeah.
Ready to go?
Ready for a new day.
Okay.
New day, new life, new beginning, new chapter.
I'm going to turn the camera off now.
Yeah. Bye, guys.